Are you looking for a natural drink that boosts your health, improves your mood, and helps you lose weight? Discover with us the secrets of ginger, its amazing benefits, hidden risks, and how to enjoy it safely. Ginger, the magical drink between benefits and risks. Ginger is not just a distinctive flavor in the kitchen. It is a treasure trove of health benefits that have amazed scientists and have been proven by modern studies. But is it safe for everyone? Are there any risks you should be aware of? In this article, we will reveal everything you need to know about drinking ginger. Benefits of drinking ginger. Relieves nausea. Ginger is effective in treating nausea, especially for pregnant women or after surgeries, and it reduces stomach upsets thanks to its active compounds like gingerol and shogol. Improves digestion. Ginger helps speed up stomach emptying, expel gases, and relieve constipation, making it an ideal choice for those with digestive problems. Supports heart health. Studies indicate that regular consumption of ginger may reduce the risk of heart disease, lower bad cholesterol and triglyceride levels, and regulate blood pressure. Lowers blood sugar levels. Ginger plays a role in reducing blood sugar levels in diabetics, but it should not be consumed excessively to avoid severe drops in blood sugar. Powerful anti-inflammatory. Thanks to its antioxidants and active compounds, ginger relieves joint pain and swelling and helps treat chronic body inflammation. Aids in weight loss. Research suggests that ginger may help reduce appetite, increase fat burning, and lower body mass index, especially when consumed regularly. Boosts immunity. Ginger is rich in antioxidants, making it a strong supporter of the immune system and helping prevent colds and flu. Eases menstrual pain. Consuming ginger in the early days of menstruation significantly reduces pain. According to numerous studies, cancer prevention. Preliminary evidence suggests that ginger may reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, especially colon and pancreatic cancer, thanks to its antioxidant compounds. Improves brain function. Some studies indicate that ginger may enhance brain function and reduce the risk of neurological diseases such as Alzheimer's. Risks of drinking ginger and when to be cautious. Despite its great benefits, excessive consumption of ginger or consuming it under certain health conditions may cause health problems. Severe drop in blood sugar, especially for diabetics who are taking blood sugar-lowering medications. Effects on blood pressure. It may cause low blood pressure or interact with blood pressure medications. Digestive issues. Excessive ginger consumption may lead to heartburn, diarrhea, or digestive disturbances. Interaction with blood thinners. Ginger increases blood thinning, so caution is needed when taking it with anticoagulant drugs, like warfarin. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Although effective in relieving pregnancy nausea, it is important to consult a doctor before consuming large amounts. Special health conditions. Ginger should be avoided if you have gallstones, a tendency to bleed, or before surgeries. Golden tips for safe ginger consumption. Do not exceed 4 grams of ginger daily for adults. Consult your doctor if you are taking chronic medications or have chronic diseases. Try drinking fresh ginger or its infusion. Instead of supplements, you can add honey or lemon to enhance the flavor and increase the benefits.